was just the opening of La Dangereuse by Ludovic Lamothe, a Haitian composer who lived from 1882 to 1953. This is described as a Haitian merengue, and you hear that repeated clave rhythm continually in the left hand. This is actually an example of our irregular meters. Even though the time signature at the beginning is 2/4, the second time signature makes it clear that the 8/16 notes in each measure are divided 3 + 3 + 2. That's the rhythm that you continually hear in the left hand. You could count it this way: 1, a 2, a 3. It really is like there's 3 unequal beats in each measure, even though you can feel 2 quarter notes, and that feeling is going to be important. The second measure, you also see those 3 unequal beats in the right hand. But the way it's notated, you see the second one is tied across the second quarter note, the second beat. I would practice this 2 ways. If you're at this level, maneuvering the keyboard is not going to be difficult, but there is a reason to simplify the rhythm a little bit and just reduce it to 2 notes. That rhythmic feel is not difficult to get used to. You can add a note in the right hand to feel the 3 beats. What you'll want to practice is playing the 2 quarter notes against this rhythm. That's important for a couple of reasons. What I hope you'll notice is automatically when I do that, the left hand rhythm does not sound as smooth, doesn't sound as cool. It sort of changes into a syncopated rhythm against 2 beats. But that process of feeling the second beat is going to be important. It's a little bit like you're constantly feeling a cross rhythm. One hand is playing 2 beats. The left hand, you need to feel 3 beats, even though they do sort of line up in a way. The reason that's important is the 4th measure. When you depart from this irregular meter and have to feel a triplet over 1 quarter note. That's easy enough when you do it on its own, when you have established what your 2 beats are and you divide one into a triplet. But after you've played 3 measures of your irregular meter, this can be a challenge. So I would practice it exactly that way. I would practice, let's say I'll do 2 measures of the 3 beats, 2 measures of the rhythm against 2 beats, and then switch to my triplet. That's a good rhythm exercise on its own, just to kind of test, can I shift where my focus is? Can I shift where my attention is, but still maintain the same left hand, and then switch the left hand to a triplet rhythm? That's what you'll have to do in this piece. Here's the first phrase as written one more time. So have fun practicing La Dangereuse.